Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison between two of Michelin's heavyweights, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. If you're in the market for new tires, or just curious about the latest in tire technology, you're in the right place. Let's find out which tire comes out on top in different conditions and why. The Michelin Primacy 4 Plus is the long-awaited successor to the beloved Primacy 4, building on a legacy of performance with improved compounds and construction while retaining its acclaimed tread design. On the other side, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, known for its prowess in the max performance segment, is designed for speed and agility. Today, we'll see how these tires stack up against each other in a variety of tests. First up, let's talk about wet conditions. Safety is paramount when it rains, and that's where our comparison begins. In wet braking tests, the Pilot Sport 4S took the lead, outperforming the Primacy 4 Plus by a significant margin. Specifically, it managed to stop 2.5 meters shorter than the Primacy 4 Plus. When it came to handling, the Pilot Sport 4S continued to impress, clocking in at 4.7 seconds faster per lap than its counterpart. Switching to dry conditions, the Pilot Sport 4S doesn't let up. It shows superior braking performance, stopping 2.4 meters shorter than the Primacy 4 Plus. In terms of lap times, it's again faster, this time by 2 seconds per lap. It's clear that in both wet and dry conditions, the Pilot Sport 4S is the tire for those who prioritize performance. But what about noise and comfort? Here, the Primacy 4 Plus shines. It's designed as a touring tire, prioritizing comfort over outright performance. Test results show that it leads its class, offering a quieter and smoother ride compared to the more sport-focused Pilot Sport 4S. For those interested in efficiency and environmental impact, rolling resistance is a key factor. The Primacy 4 Plus has a lower rolling resistance coefficient, making it the better choice for those looking to maximize fuel efficiency and reduce environmental impact. In conclusion, the choice between Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and Pilot Sport 4S depends on what you value most in a tire. If performance is your top priority, especially in challenging conditions, the Pilot Sport 4S is hard to beat. However, for everyday driving with an emphasis on comfort and efficiency, the Primacy 4 Plus is a compelling option. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.